First, we check if the clip is already loaded. And if it is, then we call the callback function with that clip sound. If it isn't, we create a new clip and we'll fire off an XML HTTP request to load that sound clip. Now the response type from this request won't be plain text, but it will be an array buffer. And that's something we need to decode using the decode audio data method. We'll store that audio buffer into the clip and then call our callback function once more. Finally, we'll send the request and return the clip data at the very end.